Hey y'all, how's it going? I miss you guys so much. I hope you're doing very well and that you are staying healthy. Promise me. Well, since this will be kind of our new norm for a while, being online, this is gonna kind of act like our morning meeting kind of thing, and I just want to go over a couple things that to remind you of or to help you out. And you can always go back to this video and rewatch in case 2 weeks from now you forget how to do something and you need to come back on and look. Okay, so we're just reviewing, getting onto your Google. So if you go into Chrome and this pops up and you are not logged in, you need to click the icon and it should say add another account. Once you go there, see, I have all these accounts obviously, but you can click use another account and type in your email. And there's Mr. Fisher. But don't forget that when you're putting in your email, you need to do at isd14.org. That is important for you to get in. Once you can do that, actually that's not mine anymore. Let's fix that. There we go. Once you do that, you put your password in. Don't look. And you'll be in. So it'll look like this. Now I'm signed in my account. And if you have any questions or concerns, or you can't do something one day, or you don't know how you need to contact me is through your Gmail. So I want you to see this right here where it says Gmail. Click on it, and that's going to bring you to your email. And you might have like 1,000,001 things. If you want to clear those, do you see this square right here where it says select? I'm not selecting the individual emails. I'm going to the one on the top, and it clicks all of them. And then apparently these are called jelly beans. I don't know, but if you click the jelly beans or the 3 dots, it says mark as, well, mine says unread, but yours should say read. If it says mark as read and you click it, then all of those that are bold and unread will go away and look like mine. So now I have 0. Okay? Then you can just click to unclick it. Want to come say hi?
What's up, y'all? Miss you guys.
Do you like his haircut? Come here.
Mrs. Fisher did this. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Should do a side job as like a... Yep. Okay, anyway. So if you have any questions that you need to ask me, you're going to click compose. And it'll bring up a new message. And when it says to, you need to start typing in my name. You can do Fisher. Obviously, pick the one that says afisher@isd14.org. Okay, the Hofstede one I will not get. I don't get that email anymore. And don't do it to Christopher Fisher. No, we don't want to email him. The subject is like the title of your email. So if you have a question about reading, maybe you could say, question about reading. That's all you have to do. And then you go into the body of it and you can type in your question or whatever it is you want to type in and then press send. I'll just do it. Look at it. There it is. It happened fast. Okay. We are also going to kind of just review some classroom stuff. So when you go into classroom, here we go. The stream is where like all the links to the things that you might need are. So like iExcel, ReadWorks, all those things. You've seen that the whole year. That's nothing new. What will be different is you will have, here, let's move this down. Distracted me. You will have each day set out. So this is not in order right now, but it says Monday, March 30th. That's going to be where your reading and math is that day. This is only going to come out one at a time. So on Monday, you won't see the whole week. You'll just see Monday. On Tuesday, you'll see Monday and Tuesday, but not Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So it's just one day at a time. And I kind of give directions when you look at it. There is no due date, but it does tell you like first, next, then last. It tells you what to do. All of you have your own copy of this. So if you write on it, The other classmates won't see it. It's just you. But it goes through each thing what you should be doing. So this is Monday, March 30th. This is the first day. This is today. There's reading. This is all reading. And then there's math. And then all of that is math. Go box by box, slow, and read it all, please. First is a learning target. I can identify character traits. Okay, read it out loud to yourself, read it in your head, whisper read, whatever you need to do. Then for engage, there will most likely be a video or a picture of some sort. In order to view it, if anything is bold and in blue and underlined, like this is. Right now I'm hovering over it and nothing's happening. In order to actually view it, you need to click on it, and then the link will come up, and it'll take you right there. Easy. Then the next is a lesson. Sometimes there might not be a lesson. Sometimes there might be a lesson. But if there's a video, or some might be like our PowerPoints or whatever it is, you just hover, click, and it'll bring you there. Online assignment will be RAS Kids sometimes might be ReadWorks, sometimes you might not have one. Whatever it is, it's all going to be in that box for your every single day. Okay? And then read to self. After you complete the reading lesson, you will want to do a read to self and do a reflection. And it's going to be on there every single day. The timer is linked here. So if you click the picture, there's a 20-minute timer. So if you need to be kept accountable for your reading, then you just click the timer, go to it, and it'll count down the 20 minutes while you read. When you're done, you need to come back to this document, and this is what the teachers are going to see, and how we're going to grade you on this is you write it here. So write the title of your book here. All you have to do today, write the title of your book. It's not going to be like that every day, but the point of this and going over this is I want you to notice, like, I'm not just clicking randomly and writing the title. Right here it says title. I'm going to click after that, and when I see that vertical line blinking, I know then I can start typing there. So then you can do that there. Then you're going to go on to math and do the same thing. When you see the blue, you click on it, and you know that that's a link that you need to go to. It's really important that you read through all the directions, all the words. We try to keep it short and sweet and simple. You need to read it and then go to the links and complete the assignments, because we can see the assignments that you're doing and that you're completing. Okay? And if you're typing in here, the teachers can see everything that you're doing. All right? When you're done with all of it, it is important that you turn in. That's this last step here. When you turn in your document, then we will know that you did it, you're done, you turn it in. Now we can look at it and view it and see how you did. Okay? Okay. So that's all I really got for you right now. Questions, you can email me. I will be reaching out to parents and calling when I can. And if there's something that you need to respond to, please do so. Anything that's new every day, we will try to have a video out. Sometimes it'll be me, sometimes it'll be the other third grade teachers. But you'll have to just kind of follow along. We'll show you what to do so you're not confused or stuck or anything. We're going to do our best, and we're going to get through this whole e-learning experience. Okay? I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Good luck.